Nathaniel Crawford here with the Live Exclusively team at One Sotheby's International Realty. Today we are at an amazing project here in Sunrise, Florida called Metropica for a private presentation with Natalia, the sales rep. Let's go in and take a look.
Hi, I'm Natalia. Welcome to Metropica, a dream community in South Florida. Metropica is going to be built in 65 acres of land and has two very important components, the retail and the residential. Within the retail, we're going to have high-end restaurants, brand name boutiques, coffee shops, office space, movie theaters, bowling alleys, all in an open concept with different parks and plazas for residents and the community to enjoy. We are building that downtown experience, a new lifestyle in Broward. Metropica is a complete community that will offer a wide variety of amenities, such as an amazing infinity pool on a 7th floor overlooking the Everglades. The first tower has 28 stories, 263 units of 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms. The first 6 stories will be parking space, and then all of the amenities will be on the 7th floor. On the exterior, we have the tennis courts, swimming pool, barbecue areas, and then on the inside, we'll find the game room for kids, a movie theater, spa, sauna, 24-hour fitness center, and even a guest suite. Metropica offers its residents 2 color palettes of finishes designed by you. Both options include porcelain tile, Italian-style kitchens, quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances. If you enjoyed this tour and want to know more about Metropica, all you have to do is call Nathaniel at
305-767-3182.
That's right, and soon you'll be calling Metropica your home. Hope to see you soon.